Y'all, thank you for stopping in today. First off, I want to apologize for my voice because I know it's hoarse. I'm getting over a cold. But I wanted to share with you our Galentine church event. Now, the tables were all decorated the same like this. Those little roses on there I made, and then there was another sister in the church, and she made the centerpiece, and she did a fabulous job. They were gorgeous. All the tables looked so elegant. It was just so much fun. Now this next picture is actually featuring the place settings up close. It was just so pretty. And then of course, Galentine Jeopardy. Oh my, it was so much fun. We all got such a kick out of it. Each table had their own names, and then when we answered, obviously with Jeopardy you have to form your answer in the stated in a question, and it was just so much fun. I absolutely enjoyed myself and I loved it. Now this next portion is showing you actual roses that I made, a close-up of them. These roses came from the Dollar Tree, and I used real baby breath with them, and I just used I cut them down, and then I used the floral tape, made the bows, and then also cut out the little hearts on the upper right. And then that template that you're looking at that it's on, excuse me, is actually at the end of this video for those who want to use it. One thing I learned through Jeopardy that I didn't even realize there was a designated day called Galentine. I thought it was just, event somebody made up. And it's actually a designated day, and it's February 13th every year. So that was news to me. Anyway, y'all, thank you for stopping in today.